DJI is making a 360 drone to rival Insta360 Antigravity. We just got the DJI Neo 2, and while it's impressive, the real excitement is building around DJI's next FPV powerhouse. The DJI Avata 3, rumored to feature 360-degree recording to directly challenge Insta360's innovation. The new camera has shared some images where it looks like someone's already testing the next Avata drone out in the wild. They're hearing mixed names, DJI Avata 3 or even DJI 360. But one thing's certain, the design screams Avata lineage, just with a completely new style camera setup that hints at a major upgrade. The Avata 3's FCC filing leaked back in March 2025, followed by prototype images in May, showing a Chinese beta tester flying what's clearly a next-gen Avata-style cinewhoop. Now, fresh photos from Chinese regional websites suggest DJI is in its final testing phase before launch. At first glance, the new drone looks similar to the Avata 2, compact and cinewhoop-like, but look closer and you'll notice a larger, heavier gimbal that could house dual lenses for full 360-degree capture. So, what will it be called in the end? DJI Avata 3 or DJI 360? Because when you can get a total 360 footage, why should you settle on a single view? Let's explain. From the leaked photos, the Avata 3 retains a similar overall form factor to its predecessor, meaning the compact and aerodynamic structure that made the Avata series so accessible will stay intact. The most visible change is the new, much larger front-facing camera module. The larger housing suggests a bigger image sensor inside, something that aligns with rumors pointing toward a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor. This represents a huge step up from the 1/1.3-inch sensor on the Avata 2, and it promises much better image quality across the board. Another major design shift can be seen in the repositioning of the battery. Unlike the Avata 2, which carried its battery on top, the Avata 3's leaked design clearly shows the battery mounted at the rear. This not only improves the drone's weight distribution but also opens up more space at the front for the enlarged camera system. The removal of the previous model's orange propeller guards indicates that DJI has achieved a more balanced and streamlined look, which could also reduce drag during high-speed flights. One of the most eye-catching details from the leak is the introduction of a 4-blade propeller setup. Moving from 3 to 4 blades might seem like a small change, but in the FPV world, it's significant. 4-blade props typically offer more thrust and better stability, which translates to faster acceleration, improved control, and a smoother, more responsive flight experience. This change alone suggests that DJI is targeting professional FPV pilots and content creators who crave higher performance and greater precision during flight. Beyond aesthetics and flight design, what really excites many drone enthusiasts is the expected improvement in camera performance. With a rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Avata 3 could rival dedicated aerial cameras in terms of detail and dynamic range. This larger sensor means improved low-light capabilities, allowing the drone to capture clearer, more vibrant footage even at dusk, or in shaded environments. It also expands the dynamic range, meaning highlights and shadows will be more balanced, providing editors with more flexibility in post-production, especially for color grading. Combined with DJI's advanced stabilization systems, Rocksteady 3.0 Plus and Horizon Steady, the footage from the Avata 3 is expected to be butter smooth, even during aggressive FPV maneuvers. Rumors also suggest the Avata 3 will include omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, something that would make it far safer and more beginner-friendly than traditional FPV drones. If true, this would be an impressive addition to a drone of its size. The enhanced sensors would allow the drone to detect obstacles in every direction, minimizing crashes and increasing confidence for pilots pushing the limits of their flights. Performance-wise, the Avata 3 seems to promise incremental but important improvements. Flight time is expected to extend to around 23 to 25 minutes, a respectable increase over its predecessor. DJI is also rumored to integrate the O4 video transmission system, capable of transmitting high-definition video with ultra-low latency up to a 13-kilometer range under FCC standards. This would ensure a more immersive FPV experience, especially when paired with the new DJI Goggles 4 or the DJI RC Motion 3 controller. Together, these tools would create an intuitive and highly responsive flying experience, making it easier for users to perform complex maneuvers like flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts in acro mode. Pricing is another area where leaks have provided some interesting clues. The Avata 3 is expected to be priced slightly higher than its predecessor, reflecting its upgraded hardware and improved capabilities. Drone-only pricing is rumored to fall between $549 and $649, which is about a 12 to 33% increase over the Avata 2. For those opting for the Fly More combo with a single battery, prices may range from $1,099 to $1,249, while the 3-battery combo could sit between $1,299 and $1,499. There's also mention of a Primo combo version priced around $1,200 to $1,500, which would include extra accessories, goggles, and additional batteries. For professional setups with more advanced gear, the total could climb as high as $1,800. While these figures represent a noticeable increase, they are arguably justified by the drone's rumored enhancements in camera quality, stability, and flight control. All signs point to the Avata 3 being more than just a minor refresh. It appears to be a bold step forward in DJI's FPV lineup. The combination of a larger sensor, stronger propulsion system, enhanced stability features, and longer flight time would make it an attractive option for both professional filmmakers and advanced hobbyists. DJI seems to be refining its FPV ecosystem into a more cohesive, high-performance package that can serve creative users without sacrificing the thrill of manual control. If these details prove accurate, the DJI Avata 3 could set a new benchmark for FPV drones in 2025 or 2026, offering a blend of cinematic quality, powerful performance, and pilot-friendly controls that few competitors could match. With DJI's history of innovation and attention to detail, the Avata 3 might not only redefine FPV flying, but also expand what's possible in the realm of immersive aerial storytelling.